Is this one of the best sites in the Cotswolds? Let's find out. Hi and welcome back to another campsite review. Today we're looking at the Broadway Caravan and Motorhome site located in the stunning Cotswolds and close to the beautiful village of Broadway. We had the pleasure of spending a night here on our way home from our recent Cornwall tour. The cost was not cheap at £42 per night in early July. This pristinely kept site offers more than 100 pitches, most of which are hard standing and electric. The site is easily accessed from the A44 and just 10 miles from the M5. You can arrive from 1 PM onwards, and we were welcomed right at the gate with no need to check in at reception. The warden was excellent and directed us to a good selection of pitches. As is standard with caravan and motorhome club sites, you're free to choose any available pitch that matches the type you reserved. We selected pitch 40, which was close to the toilet block and water points. The pitch was completely level with no need for ramps. Our pitch was electric only, but there were fully serviced pitches available on site. The high standard on offer continues into the toilet block, where you'll find a good selection of showers and individual wash cubicles. We were only there for one night and had no problems with getting access to showers with plenty of hot water. Also located in the facility block are several waste and fresh water stations, an Elson point and more recycling bins. There's also a small laundry room which can be used for a small fee and a wash-up area. The reception area had a small shop offering food and camping essentials. There was also an information area with plenty of details about the surrounding area and information about the nearby village of Broadway. It looks as if regular food vans pay a visit to the site with details posted in reception. Also on site you'll find a book swap zone where you can exchange books for a small fee, and a compact museum. This museum features The Wanderer, one of the earliest caravans dating back to 1885, and now permanently housed in its own dedicated building on site. The village of Broadway is just a 10-minute walk from the site. Often hailed as the jewel of the Cotswolds, its iconic honey-coloured limestone buildings show off a vibrant high street with a good blend of the past and present. There is a good selection of independent boutiques, charming art galleries, restaurants and cosy cafes lining the way. There's also a good selection of pubs and hotels. We enjoyed a pint in the Crown and Trumpet and can highly recommend this pub. There are also several walking trails that take you right through this beautiful part of the English countryside, and the Cotswold Way runs right through the village. Also close to the site is the Gloucestershire-Warwickshire Steam Railway. The station is just 100 yards from the site entrance, and the trains pass close to the dog walking area to give you a great view of the trains. It provides regular steam and vintage diesel trains from Cheltenham Racecourse to Broadway, traversing some of the Cotswolds' most breathtaking landscapes. We didn't have much time to explore on this trip, but we would recommend a visit to Broadway Tower, an 18th century folly. From this beautiful viewpoint, visitors can enjoy 360-degree panoramic views, and on a clear day it's possible to see up to 16 counties, making it one of the best vantage points in England. So what are our top tips for a visit to the Broadway Caravan and Motorhome Club site? Number 1. Do visit the village. It's a stunning location and well worth a visit, and it's just a short 10-minute walk away. Tip number 2. On our visit it seemed impossible to get any food after 3 PM in the main pubs and hotels, as they were preparing for evening service. There were lots of tea rooms and coffee shops, but if you'd like something a little bit more substantial, then try the number 32 cafe. It was excellent, serving burgers, pizzas and other hot food after 3 PM. Tip number 3. Use the local knowledge of the on-site wardens. We always enjoy a chat with the wardens, and often they are fond of some excellent local knowledge. It was the warden who pointed us in the direction of the lovely pub, the Crown and Trumpet, and also gave us a great parking suggestion. So would we stay again? There's no denying that Broadway is a beautiful site in a beautiful location. However, at over £40 per night, it really is hard to justify the cost. I think we may try again, but in low season, if the price comes down. There you have it, our review of the Broadway Caravan and Motorhome Club site. We hope you found this review helpful. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions then please leave us a comment. And don't forget to like and subscribe, as it does help the channel grow. We look forward to seeing you again in another video.